Hey guys, how's it going? My name is John. I'll just do a quick introduction here. Try to keep it short, but I've gone through quite a journey to get where I am and to get to where I'm ready to break into tech. So uh, could be a little bit here, but basically started getting interested in it when I went back to school when I was 30. So this was 2011. I got inspired in my programming classes and system engineering classes. Shout out to Professor Phillips at MJC for inspiring me and others to get into it. But anyways, I was really interested and ambitious in getting into tech and got my first internship while I was still going to school. Um, and basically, it was just like a help desk thing, and I figured I'd take it because I needed the money. I have a family. You can probably hear my kids in the other room watching Saturday morning cartoons and stuff. But anyways, took that gig and learned a lot doing that. Um, I let my employers know that I was interested in getting into software engineering and programming, and they let me kind of dabble and create some stuff. During that process, I got hired on full time with them. So at that point, I was still kind of trying to go to school and like get an associate's or continue on and transfer out of like a JC to a traditional 4-year school. But anyways, figured I tried it for a little while, couldn't really make it all work with full-time job and going to school and everything. So quit going to school. I ended up having enough credits for like a certificate. So I ended up getting like a technical certificate in like system engineering, kind of on the networking level. But anyways, uh, long story short, did some cool projects while I was there. I was really proud of those, but it didn't really make sense for them to put me in like a full-time software engineering position. So I did move on to like another IT firm with a little more um, cool tech stuff going on there and interesting things. So I've been there for about a year and a half. And again, still, I told them I was interested in software engineering and helping them out in any way that they needed there. And so there's some work kind of behind the scenes to kind of maybe get me some projects and stuff. I did some freelancing during this time, software engineering freelancing to build some websites for some small businesses. I did a stint moonlighting as well for a agency in the area. That didn't really work out too well, mostly because I had my second child at that time and working full time and doing that, and like the new baby was just like too much. So, anyways, I wasn't really feeling like I was delivering for them, so I decided to, kind of say, hey guys, probably need to focus on the family um, and all that. So, uh, but that was good as well. I learned a lot. During this time, I also so I've been learning with MOOCs um, pretty much for what 2.5 to 3 years. Um, just focusing on web development technologies. That's been really good. I did a Treehouse front end um, course, which was great, and then did Free Code Camp for quite a while. There wasn't a meetup in our area, which they really encourage meetups. So I ended up starting one and doing that consistently for about 2 years, which was a great experience. We did monthly meetups, got a lot of support and met a lot of great people doing that. Um, but about January, it was time to kind of like let that go and really focus down on while I could encourage folks, I really didn't have like solid engineering experience to like really help them out, or didn't really have like the connections in the area to like really get them jobs and everything. Although it was a great experience, I think, for folks, and we did get a lot of freelance work and stuff coming into our group, and it was awesome. Um, so I'm getting a lot of traction with my resume right now, but still looking to kind of break in, even though I have a little bit of experience, been doing a lot of IT stuff, but it's a little bit like I'm getting a new role. So um, looking forward to working with other people in the community here and and encouraging you guys as we both make this journey. One thing I'd like to kind of finish in closing is if you're ever in that position where you end up, you know, with like a system admin thing, and you're thinking, well, maybe I could take this, and like haven't gotten any engineering things. I mean, I think you definitely should consider it. You'll have to, like I did, kind of like find ways to use your engineering skills maybe you've developed at a boot camp or something to put on your resume to say, hey, like I automated this process. Or like what I did is I created a thing that emailed new employees on their first day and like told them how to like get IT support if they needed it, and I could like justify that as an IT person that I'm making this cool thing that's going to help them, and you can kind of do that. So I mean, something to think about. Anyways, if you want to hit me up, I'm at jbull328 on Twitter, and look forward to getting to know you guys. All right, take care. Bye.